It's 6:45 in the morning, and David is sleeping. He's sleeping. And today is a very, very important day for David. At 6:45, David's alarm starts to ring. Ring, ring. It starts to ring. And David, he wakes up. He wakes up. But he doesn't want to get out of bed. No, he wants to stay in bed and sleep. Of course, David is young. David is only 16 years old. He is a teenager, which means that David, he loves he loves to sleep. He loves to be in bed. But David needs to get up because today is an important day. Today is an important day because David has an exam. He has an exam at school. Today, David has a math exam. He has a math exam, and it's very important. On this exam, David needs to get an A. He needs to get an A to pass math. If not, next year he has to take math again. David does not want to do that, but very nervous. So he waits in bed. At 7 o'clock, David is still in bed. He needs to get up and take a shower before school, before he goes to school. And his mom comes into the room and she says, David, get up. Let's go. It's time for school. And David, he coughs and he sniffles. And David says to his mom, I can't. I'm sick. David's mom grabs a thermometer. A thermometer we use to check our temperature. And in Fahrenheit, 98.6 is perfect. She checks her temperature. David's mom checks her temperature, 98.6. Perfect. And David, she gives him the thermometer to put under his tongue. Under his tongue. And she leaves. His mom leaves. David, he knows, he's not sick. He feels okay. He feels normal. But he has an idea with the thermometer. In his room, David has a lamp to see when it's dark. He can see. He takes the thermometer and he puts it next to the light bulb. Next to the light bulb. So it heats up the temperature. So it heats up the thermometer. And David's mom sees the temperature. She comes back in the room She comes back in the room to see the thermometer. And the thermometer says David has a fever of 106 degrees Fahrenheit. His mom says to there's a mosquito. Anyway, David's mom says we need to go to the we need to go to the hospital. You're very sick. David, he doesn't want to go. He doesn't want to go to the hospital. And so he tells her the truth. Mom, I put the thermometer next to the light bulb. I'm not sick. David's mom says she's confused. She says, "Huh? Why?" And he tells her because he's nervous for his math exam. She says, "It's okay. You're going to get an A plus." And David says, I don't think so. But David's mom encourages him. She says, you can do it. You're going to pass. And finally, David goes to school. He tried to pretend to be sick, but David's mom, she's very smart. And David took the math exam. And he got an A plus. Have you ever pretended to be sick to miss school when you were young or to not go to work? Put it in the comments below. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see each other in the next one. Bye.